Lesson 3. Functions of auxiliary machinery. Besides running and maintaining the main propulsion machinery of the ship, the engineer officer has a great deal of auxiliary machinery to look after. Auxiliary machinery covers everything mechanical on board ship, except the main engines and boilers. It includes almost all the pipes and fittings and the equipment needed to carry out a number of functions. These functions may be summarized as follows. To supply the needs of the main engines and boilers, air compressors are used to supply compressed air for starting engines. Coolers are used for cooling either oil or water. Water for the boilers is also heated before being admitted into the boiler by feed water heaters. This increases the efficiency of the boiler. To keep the ship dry and trimmed is done through the bilge and ballast pumping systems. The former removes water which has gathered in machinery, cargo, and other spaces. The latter pumps water into and out of ballast tank. In general cargo ships, these systems are usually interconnected and served by the same pumps. In tankers and other bulk carriers, these systems are entirely separate, because these ships may need to ballast at 12,000 tons per hour, and therefore need larger pumps. To apply the main power of the engines for propulsion and maneuvering, the engine power is transmitted to the propeller by a line of steel shafting. This is made up of the thrust shaft, intermediate shaft, and the propeller shaft. Steering gear is also necessary to operate the rudder for maneuvering. To supply the ship with electrical power and lighting, this is done by steam or diesel-powered generators.